Yo, what is going on, guys? I have another shoe. We got the Jordan 1 Off-White, the 10 from Top Kick 7. They were nice enough to get me a pair, so shout out to you guys. I'm not going to keep you guys for too long on this one, so let's jump right into it. This is how the box originally looks, but it looks like it took a little bit of damage here. Here's a closer look. There is no price tag on this particular pair, but on the retail pair, there is a retail sticker there. It's also transparent. Here's what the box looks like. It's a deconstructed type of box, but before we jump into the product, let's take a look at their website. Topps Kick offered, I don't really know what they're calling their shoes. They're not really replicas or UAs, and I kind of like that because the lines are getting a little blurred between UA, replica, whatever you want to call them, one-on-ones. But their site looks pretty good. They've got competitive prices, just like some other UA sites. They ship by DHL/EMS. They take major credit cards. They take Western Union, PayPal. And they got these to me in a decent time frame considering what's going on right now in the country. And they sent me QC pictures like these of my pair. So far, customer service has been great. So again, the idea of the box is a deconstruct method, basically putting everything that's usually on the inside on the outside. And I think this is when they first came out, they were pretty hyped up, and I knew I wasn't going to get a retail pair, so I didn't pay too much attention to them. And this was one of Virgil's, and if you don't know who Virgil is this guy again who keeps making these shoes. Right now on StockX, these are going for $3,366, and the last sale in a size 10 was $3,366 just a couple days ago. So the value of these, it's still pretty high on the market. There's also two other colorways I'm trying to get my hands on. This one is white for $3,400, and the next one is the UNC, which is a little cheaper. I'm not sure why, because I love this colorway as well, and that'll probably be the next pair in these that I'll get. So taking a look at the shoe, I'm not going to compare it to any other Jordan 1 like I usually do, because these used unique materials while making them. And I noticed right off the bat that tongue looks sort of blue, like this soft padding that they're using to make the shoe's white upper parts. It's kind of like an off bluish color. So I don't know if the retails are like that, but it kind of looks blue. This is a Wings paper. This is the off-white paper they're putting in there. That looks like something from the retail as well. You got your hot orange, hot green shoelaces. Closer look at the paper. Starts off with the Jordan 1, and then it looks like it has the 2 on there. A few details from the box, some gold print. Again, this is supposed to be the outside of the box on the inside, hence that gold Jordan that you saw over there. It's pretty creative. I like it. I think these are dope. I mean, for the price I paid for them, less than $150. When the shoe goes for $3,000 plus, you got the 85 right there on there. I don't know how these match up in retail quality. I probably will never know that, but this is good enough for me. I wore these around, and I don't care about any call out people. We can have the conversation if someone asks, but they're 9 times out of 10 when people ask me, they don't trip when they hear they came from a UA site. They're like, I want a pair, the same pair you got. So you got Off-White, Colorado, Nike. These came out in 2007, I think close to September of 2017, actually. The little Chinese tag there, not sure if that's a retail touch or not. But if you know any more about this shoe than I do, like the retail shoe, drop it down in the comments. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Let me know. This is for educational purposes anyway. We're all trying to learn right here. I think the hot orange laces are dope if I can get them in focus here. But I wasn't going to lace them up. They're a little, there we go. They're a little too bold, and lacing shoes just takes time. And, you know, everyone laces their shoes different, so I just wasn't going to do it. I think the shoelaces on the shoe is a nice touch as well. I was thinking about doing the green, but I was like, nah. Here's the white shoelaces, which I'll throw these in, and I'll compare one to the black shoelaces, but it's either going to be the black or the white for me. One interesting detail is the insole has these little pyramid grippy things on it, and I thought I would hate it, but I actually love it. It kind of keeps your foot in place in the sneaker, and I've seen this done on Kobe's in the past, but it's a nice touch once you start walking in them. Again, I went from 9.5 instead of a 10. Take a look at the collar around the shoe. That's a nice touch. It's kind of unfinished, and that's how the off-white 5s are, and that actually feels good around the ankle. It's not too thick. It looks cheap, but it's actually not cheap, if that makes any sense. Here's a look at the Jordan on the side. I'm not sure if that's placed too low, too high. To me, it looks good. There's also a little orange patch there that you can see. It's a nice little touch. Makes it pop a little bit more with the blue holding on that blue rope stitching, whatever that is. It's holding on the Nike sign. Like, that's the only thing holding on the Nike sign. You've got 85 on the other side. You know, these are pretty interesting shoes. Like, I didn't really know how to take them in when I first seen them, because that Nike sign was really throwing me off. You've got an air capsule inside the Jordan 1s. He just wrote air there. He's like, I can't see it, so I'll just have to write it on there. The toe box has got this foamy material. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but it's something from inside of the shoe, and I like it. I don't think it'll do well if you get it dirty, but I like it. Take a look at the toe box for all you guys that actually have a retail pair. Let me know if this toe box is on, off. It looks good. It looks bad. And it's kind of interesting with this shoe. It's a deconstructed shoe, so when they're putting it together from a UA standpoint, it's kind of like a little handmade project. I mean, I think they look good. And these aren't supposed to be supple leather. They're not supposed to be soft like the newer Jordan 1s that are coming out now. They're designed to have this weird type of flattened inside out look. I think it's dope. You got Beaverton, Oregon, where Nike's headquarters is on that side. I know that stamp is another giveaway of some of the UAs and how it's placed, but again, I don't have a pair to compare to. A lot of things on this shoe are flapping. I actually don't like the flappy look that I've seen a lot of people go with. The tongue, it's a pretty tall tongue. I like how they put the Nike on the side instead of the middle. That's a really nice touch. Take a look at the red stitching there. Not sure how that matches up to a retail. I'm trying to get my lighting right so it doesn't blow out on the camera, but stitching looks okay to me. Not sure if that's on, off, sloppy. Doesn't look too sloppy. Let's take a look at the that doesn't look bad to me either. That looks pretty tight. Behind the tongue, there's some other giveaways I've noticed on the Travises. People take a look behind the tongue to see if the stitching stops at certain points. I don't see anything too off, but I mean, I don't know. I'm just going to wear the damn shoes. I don't know. Here's a few shots with a UV light. I've heard these UV lights do better on these type of Jordans. They show some flaws within the stitching, and there's supposed to be some pinkish marks on the soles from what I've seen on the Travis ones. I don't see any of that pink marking on there. So let's turn the light off and see if it looks a little better. There's some things popping there, but I don't know. So if you guys know better than me, let me know, but I don't know. All right, got the light off. This is a little weird filming this too, by the way, like being in the complete dark with a little black light. I don't see any like pink in the stitching lighting up too bad. There's a look there. I don't know, I guess. Here's a look at the back. It goes to two different textures on the back. The back is really busy back here, but I love it. I love the deconstruct look. I love the extra quality type of custom look. It looks dope to me. I suggest you guys go ahead and at least check them out instead of dreaming about them on StockX. So let's go ahead and jump into the on feet. I'm going to change pants a couple times so you guys can get a feel of how they look. These are pretty easy to style. They do feel a little different than the typical Jordan 1 that you're probably used to wearing. They feel a little lighter, and they feel like they're cut a little higher, which I do love. Here's a look with the white lace in it, and I really like the white lace, but the only problem with the white lace is it looks a little too clean for me. Like the shoe really doesn't have any white on it. Everything is kind of like an off-white, hence the name. The white laces look good, it's just a little too clean. During this on foot or on feet, starting off with sweatpants here that I always wear to love. I'm going to be changing into black camouflage and some light pants, starting with the light denim here. I think the light denim looks dope. Again, these shoes are easy to style. Like, you can wear them pretty much with any type of pants, baggy pants at your own risk. But I think they look dope with the light denim. There's the zippers down there. I kind of like the zippers down there with skinny pants. You can kind of, one, put them on better, and two, you can kind of adjust them. They're a little wrinkled because I'm trying on pants. I didn't get to wear them all day. Here's the camos. One of my favorite pairs of pants. They go really good with red shoes, pretty much any color shoes. Again, let me know what you guys think about the white lace, because the more and more I look at it, it does look dope, but I just think it looks too clean. And I like the black Nike check kind of going with the black laces. I did kind of want to throw the neon green ones in there, but I don't know. But the camo looks dope. Here's black jeans. You can't go wrong with black jeans with the rips in the knees. I don't always wear ripped jeans, by the way, but when I'm thinking about doing these shots, I try to wear the quote-unquote coolest pair that I could find. But black jeans, they look good. You can't go wrong with black jeans. They're like the go-to. Those are typically my go-to. Those and the camos are my go-to, but I kind of want to give you guys a different flavor. These shoes are really soft. I don't think they'll crease like a typical Jordan 1. But, so just want to give you guys an idea of how they go stylistically. They're easy to style. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I got some more kicks coming. I just wanted to get these out the way. I'm going to try to do like the most hyped up shoes for the past couple years and collect them all. Then I'll do a final video. So that's all for the day, guys. Peace out. Much love. Take care.